One of the things that you can find is something that has layering that will flounce out, and that'll give you a little bit more volume on the bottom if you're worried that you might have straighter hips. Also look for tops that have a little bit more volume on the top if you're a little bit more flatter on the top. So it'll create the illusion of volume. The other example I have here is a free-flowing dress with a denim vest over it. And this also creates a little bit of volume. And what you want to do is you don't want to conceal anything, but you want to enhance what you do have. You can look for accessories to kind of create layering as well, such as necklaces, anything of bracelets or scarves. That'll create more of a complete look. These are the two looks, and that's a few ideas.